micro MSME is the largest contributor to the GDP, to the manufacturing segment, and in the entire pyramid they are the largest one, where the ticket size is small in terms of amount of money which they have invested, the turnover they have, the kind of credit which they need. They are small tickets. The only issue with them has been that they have not been able to raise debt when they need money, and they are largely dependent on local money lenders. Unfortunately, the traditional bankers, PSU banks, even the private sector banks, they are not able to service them well because the lack of some, say, financial documents, lack of formal accounting system which they maintain, lack of ticket size which they really need, so the cost of servicing them is high. What has happened in last couple of years is that these digital lenders or fintech lenders, they have started analyzing the MSME segment the way they should be really analyzed with reference to their transactions, their financials. And a lot of focus, like us at Prestloans, also what we do is, other than the financials, we give good amount of weightage to their personal information, their social information, how they have been doing business, and in terms of what is the credit worthiness of that person, how is his behavior. So a lot of what we call as alternate data is actually considered before giving any kind of financing to them. MSME segment is not the segment where you can be 100% digital in India as of today, because the end user, the customer to whom you are addressing is not that tech savvy as you as an organization can be. So we actually thought that it has to be phygital. It has to be where you need to get connected with those people. Use technology for improving your efficiencies, your turnaround time, data analysis, etc. Secondly, as a lender, we felt that the person who is assessing the credit should get connected with the prospective borrower. Hence, it is necessary that they meet the person. Once you meet, you are able to understand his psychology, not only just about his ability to pay, which can be reflected in financials, but also the intention to pay. What MSME really wants, his idea is that he should get money when he wants. If he gets the money faster, he is really happy and it helps him to rotate. You need to understand one concept called cash discount in this market. If he is able to make payment to his vendor or supplier within a certain time, typically this time is 7 to 15 days time, he gets a discount. That discount is in the range of 2 to 3%, which is good enough, right? If I give the money to him within that period, he will get that time. Just think 2% in 2 weeks time. Effectively, if he rotate twice in a month, he is 4%. 4% per month discount means 48% per annum return for him. Now, if he is earning that cash discount of 48% per annum, and if he pays 18%, 24% or 30%, whatever, next is cushion for him. That is one big help for them. Second is, this also help him to create a track record. If he has taken a loan, service it for 3 to 6 months time, and then he finds, okay, it is helping me to rotate money faster, churn his portfolio faster. Portfolio means purchase and sale faster. It helps him to do more turnover. And he knows that this money which I am taking, I can return whenever I want. The biggest difference where we have found people very comfortable taking loan from companies like Prestloans is when they take money from private money lender. He is able to service the interest to that money lender on a regular basis, monthly basis, but he is not able to service the principal. Versus a formal lender like us, NBFC company, who will take EMIs. So he is not only paying interest but also the principal. This is a big USP for those SMEs not to take money from the local money lender but take from NBFCs like us.